The BiKBBI Awards is such an important thing for us as an industry. I'm acutely aware that there are lots of awards programs, and the awards programs that exist are far flashier than ours. We don't pretend to try and keep up with the Joneses as far as that's concerned. There's some great awards programs that are out there, but for us it's a little bit more of a strategic thing, because as we build this future workforce, as we work with this group of highly unrecognised people, tradespeople that operate on the coalface are very rarely celebrated in terms of their successes. This is where we get the opportunity to sort of jump up and shout about some of these sort of micro heroes, not only for their benefit, but if we're to create a future workforce, they need to have an aspiration and a look into what good looks like, essentially, and be part of an industry that recognise good work and achievement. And that's why the BiKBBI Awards are so important to us. It's not just your average awards ceremony. So getting involved with the BiKBBI Awards is fairly straightforward and dare I say, painless. Nominating and being nominated for awards sometimes can be a bit of an arduous task, especially when you're a tradesperson, you're really busy and you've got enough on your plate. But actually either nominating yourself as a business for good work that you've undertaken, or nominating somebody around you, really straightforward. Just go to the BiKBBI website, bikbbi.org.uk, follow all the pathways towards the events section, and you can nominate directly from there. But there are 12 categories. Is not just about installers and installations. There are categories for independent retailers, national retailers, community champions, environmental champions, apprentices, newcomers, and even awards around things like installation managers. So if you're an installer and you work with a retailer that has a great installation manager that's been incredibly supportive of you, nominate them, because it's important that we recognise all aspects of the installation sector.